Start making passive income and diversifying your offers by creating digital products and doing it without breaking the bank. You can get to all the fancy stuff later. Now you just need to start. I'm going to show you how to sell digital products online for the free 99. We're back. I am Keisha Andrea, your favorite brand and content strategist. You heard the intro. I'm going to help you to create digital products, telling you all about the free options that are out there. You heard me talk about this climate. It ain't no joke. So whatever you're going to create, go ahead and push that stuff out there now. And this video is going to help you to do that with free options. And most of your audience budget is changing as well. They're being a lot smarter with their funds. So if you have a business that only offers high ticket offers, I need you to go ahead and create these digital products to serve every customer with every budget and create passive income for you so you're secure in case anything were to happen. So the first thing that you have to decide when you're going to create an offer, before we get into all the technical stuff, you have to know who you're selling to, who are the people that you're serving. If you don't know that, then it's no purpose on even creating a digital product, going into this and thinking that you're going to create a product that everybody is going to need. That's not how it works out here. If you want to be smart about it, you are going to find out who the people that you would best serve and take it a little further by splitting this audience up by their experience level. That way you can diversify your offers a lot more, create digital products based on those customers' experience level, naturally guide them up into the next phases of working with you into that low ticket offer, the medium ticket offer, the high ticket offer, and so on. Then after you know who the people, did I just whistle? That was not on purpose. After you know who you're selling to, you have to know what you're going to be selling. And this is going back to diversifying those offers and recession proofing your business. I'm going to put the video on the screen so you can check that out on how you can go a little bit more into recession proofing your business. That way you can create an offer funnel and offer something for those people that we talked about at each level: a freebie, a low ticket offer, a medium ticket offer, and a high ticket offer. If you don't have an offer funnel, you absolutely need to create one. Once you did all the research, you have an idea of what you're going to sell, you maybe even started to create that already. You have to find out how you're going to sell it. What platform are you going to use to sell that digital product and generate some sales in your business? This is not going to be a video where I'm going to go over all of them. The options are endless. It really depends on your preferences, what you're looking for. The best advice that I can give you is just pick one. And I can tell you about one that I recommend, Pinsight. Pinsight is a free option within their platform, and of course is limited with the free options, but it has just enough so you can create a digital product, create a landing page for that digital product, and post that in the link in bio on your socials and start selling that digital product. If you have specific questions about Pinsight, let me know. There's also Stand Store. I was drawn a little bit more towards Pinsight because I'm a growing business owner as well. Budget-wise, Pinsight just worked for me. So if you're on the same page, go ahead and check down in the comments so you can get 40% off your first 2 months of Pinsight Pro. And the last thing that you need to know when it comes to selling your digital product online is picking a delivery format for your digital product, because your customer has to get the product. How are you going to deliver that to them? Pinsight, like I suggested. It has a lot of different features in there, and they offer you the option to deliver that right within their platform. But there's other options. You could take your digital product into Google Drive, you can take it into Google Docs, you can create a Canva template, you can take it into Notion. And I personally use Notion for courses and e-learning and some of my digital products. You can check out the video on the screen or check down in the description. I'll have that link there as well. The list is so long. There's so many ways that you can deliver your product. But I said in this video, I was going to tell you options that were for free. So Google Drive, Pinsite, limited, Google Sheet, Canva is free, but limited as well. My favorite is Notion because they have a lot of features in their free version. I'm honestly surprised that it's free. I don't know how long it's going to be. So if you're going to get on it, go ahead and get on it now. If you want to kind of see what it looks like to create a digital product in Notion, I'll leave the video linked around here somewhere. You can check that out. Now you have all the basic options to create and sell your digital product online and do it for the free $99. It's not going to cost you. So you can get that idea off the ground right now and start selling that digital product. I want to give you a little tip. It's not just enough to have the product. Having the product, marketing that product is useless. You have to be ready to create the content that's going to help your customers to trust you, build that know, like, and trust factor so they will take the next steps to buy something that you're offering. If you need support with this, feel free to join me in Attract, Align, Convert. This group workshop happens every quarter, and we're going to start to enroll coming soon. So you can check the link down below, get on the waiting list so you can join Attract, Align, and Convert. I just want you to be prepared. I don't want something like you not having a budget for it stop you from getting those ideas out into the real world, because somebody needs it. So hopefully this served as some encouragement for you, and you're going to get out there and sell your digital products. And not just sell a product, but recession-proof your business, get you through any financial crisis. If this video was helpful, y'all know what to do. Let me know down in the comments. If you're new here, subscribe, because that's what this channel is all about. Helping solo, multi, and creative entrepreneurs build wealth with your gifts. Be seen, felt heard, and paid online by your people without sacrificing your well-being. Again, I am Keisha Andrea. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to see y'all somewhere on the feed in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.